Okay, you guys, today we're gonna be making a video of how to hack Subway Surfers. So it's your boy Jose11 game. Jose11 gamer. So first, go to Google, search up Android Mode One. So I'm gonna make it super easy. Click on games. Download one of the games on Android. This. So you can search Subway Surfers or click on it. When you search up Subway Surfers, click on download unlimited money. Then click on the first one. Yeah, that one. Click on the one that they have. So, and did you know that, you guys, the last video that I made about Dream League Soccer 2018, did you know that the money that you get, it stays on the same price? If you buy somebody, it stays on the same price. Even though if you get higher money, it stays on the same price. It's like magic that's stuck there forever. And even though somebody deletes Dream League Soccer out of your phone, you still know how to do it because I made a video of it. So this one is gonna be the Subway Surfers one. So what you have to do is click on download. Yeah, downloading. You can do it for games, like I don't think you can, but like there's some games that's famous that you can't do it. Now, like let's say for open. So instant is blocked. So that means you guys have to go to the no sources. But my fault. Sorry. Go to settings. Then on no sources. Click on OK. Then click on blah blah blah. Next, install it. Manchester United played against the Reserve City. So it's installing. And did you guys know that this is another way to download games without doing it on Play Store? And why I like this is that if you download it from instead of Play Store, you get unlimited money. But if you download it from Play Store, you don't get any. You don't get anything. But if you download it from here, you get money. It's like you're a famous guy that you have a lot of money. You're famous in the world. So yeah, you can click done or open. I like to click done. And as you can see, it's downloaded from that place I told you. Subway Surf. Subway Surf. Yeah, Subway Surfers. See, as you can see, it says Android1.com, yeah, whatever that is. So we're gonna have to wait for it. Okay, yeah. Okay. See? Surprise! That's it. That's it. See, you have a lot of money. See, I told you. And guess what? They selected everybody for you. Everybody. Anybody. See, they selected every single person. Well, you're sure lucky. So thanks for watching that video. I love y'all. Please subscribe. Be with the God. Peace.